Welcome back, friends. This is the fifth tutorial of the series. Today, first, we will change the backdrops. As I told you, backdrops means the background image on the stage. So here you can see backdrops 1 is written. Just below that, you find the plus sign. Click on the plus sign, and at last you find the magnifying glass, right? Just click on that. It will take you to the library where you find different categories of background images which are called backdrops. I'll choose just one backdrop, any one of them. Suppose this one, boardwalk. Okay, now I'll delete this sprite. I'll go to the sprite list. On the right hand side corner, you can see one bean is there and cross sign is there. You can click on that also, or at the corner of the sprite 1, you can click and you can choose the delete option, right? Now I want to add a new sprite. In the sprite list, you can see here the face of cat is there and plus sign is there. Just click on that. Here also the last option, the magnifying glass, will take you to the library where you get different categories of sprite. You can choose any one of your choice. Suppose I am choosing this one, every walking. Okay, now I would like to write a code to glide my sprite. What do you mean by glide? You must have heard the word slide. You might have played in your childhood in the slider, right? Slide allows you to give you continuous, smooth and effortless movement, right? I'll show you. Wait. In the motion block category, in the motion block palette, go down and I'll choose glide 1 sex to x and y coordinate. I'll drag and drop. For how many seconds you need to glide your sprite, you can choose here. Suppose I want my sprite to glide for say 10 seconds. And the x and y coordinate where I want to move my sprite, I can set here. Suppose 55 I'm writing here, and y I'm writing suppose 45. Okay, so x coordinate, you know, which is along the horizontal line, and y coordinate, which is along the vertical line, right? Now I'll go to events block category and I'll choose when this sprite clicked, and I'll add this hat block on the top. Now I'll execute this code. You can see I'm clicking the sprite and it is gliding, it's moving smoothly to the x and y coordinate which I have specified for that many seconds, for 10 seconds, right? You can see here. Let me bring it down. Suppose here I'll just put x0 and y0, that is the center of the stage. Let me bring it to the center of the stage and then apply the movements. See, I'm clicking the sprite and you can see it is smoothly, continuously, effortlessly gliding. That is the effect of glide. Okay, there are different glide options you can pick in. I'll show you. Go to the motion. Glide 1 sex to random position. Means if you don't want to specify which x and y axis, randomly it will glide to one position. Wait, I'll show you. See, it has randomly glided to one position. You can see. So any x and y coordinate it will pick and it will glide. Okay, so that is the effect of gliding. But if you use the move block, that also let me show you. Your sprite will move only in the horizontal direction, that is towards the x coordinate. I'll show you. You can see Your sprite is moving only in x coordinate, and the movement is also not continuous and smooth, as you see in the glide. See, it is gliding, right? So that's all for today. If you find this video useful, I request you all to please like, subscribe and share more and more to my videos. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.